Hi there, we're just here checking on the tomatoes and the cucumber plants after we've just given them a bit of a strip back, and I'm here with my little brush to make sure all the plants, all the flowers, sorry, are pollinated so we can maximise fruit growth. So here I go. Oh, I think that one's already got a cucumber on growing actually. Okay, all these down here. There's lots of flowers down here, so if these all turn into fruit, that would be absolutely marvellous because because we absolutely love these cucumbers, and everyone who we give them to in the family and friends really adore them as well and look forward to them. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, there's some cucumbers coming. I'm now excited. They're nothing like the cucumbers you get in the supermarkets. I guarantee you've never tried a good cucumber until you've grown your own. Bit rough.
Careful,
yeah.
gentle.
Yeah, I got a bit carried away. So many. I mean, there are some flies in here.
Now that they're stripped back, you can have easier access to your flowers and tomatoes for pollinating.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice nature does it, but oh, this one's been done nicely. It's nice to give it a helping hand if you have got limited space and you want to make sure that you get as many tomatoes as possible from the one plant. I mean, I might go over some of these a couple of times, but that's no harm because maximum of mixing the pollination, you're just doing the fly's job really, or bee or wasp or any sort of insect that crawls over it and then crawls over the top of another head of a flower. Nature, the alchemy of nature. It's beautiful. And you don't have to do anything really, you just have to sit back and watch it happen. Obviously with the allotment you give it a bit of a helping hand. It's kind of therapeutic.
It's like you have an artist brush.
Yeah, painting nature into reality. So this is our wormwood, and it was covered, as you can see, in all these little tiny black fly things. But I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ladybugs doing a marvellous job of chomping them all up. This is looking way better than it was on Sunday. So yeah, really happy with these guys. This is what you want, the ladybugs doing the hard work for you.